Hi, I'm Ameera Punwani. I'm a celebrity stylist and a costume designer. I've recently styled a film called Rustam. I eat, sleep, breathe Bollywood, and that's why I love Pink Villa. So, I'm actually from Lucknow. That time, back in the day, you never got clothes my size. So I started making clothes for myself, and a lot of people started asking me about, where I got my stuff from. I decided to make a line of clothes which did really well. And Shad Ali happened to see that line of clothes, and he called me and he asked me, do you want to work on a film? And I said no. But then I realized that, the only thing that I know how to do is clothes. So I called him back and I said, okay, I don't know, what exactly you want me to do, but I'll come to Bombay. So that's how my journey started with Yash Raj. And the first time I came to Bombay, I was working on Bunty or Bubbly. So people used to tell me, go to Linking Road. And I used to be like, where's Linking Road? Go to Gem Dress Wala. And I used to be crying, because I had no idea where Gem Dress Wala was on Linking Road. When I was working on Guru, I distinctly remember this thing. We were shooting for Guru and we were in some obscure village in Karnataka. And Mani sir called me and said, tomorrow Abhishek is 40 years old. We have to make him 11 kilos heavier, and so specific, 11 kilos heavier. And so just make him a fat suit. And I was mortified because we were in a village in Karnataka. So overnight with my tailor, both of us went and bought 6 pillows. We got, chadar ka kapda, and we made a fat suit. And it was like 50 degrees in Karnataka. I had to make Abhishek get into that fat suit, which was made overnight in my room. So I was, Guru was my first really big film. And I had Aishwarya Rai to style on that movie. So over there, I'd actually got real vintage saris. Her sari fell off in the middle of this shot. And I was looking mortified. I almost fainted. So she, you have a set bag where you have a needle and thread. She just asked me, give me your needle and thread, and sewed on her own fall in like matters of minutes, So I was, So, I actually learned from her and learned from the best to, to have presence of mind. She knew how to stitch, which I was, shocked about. A white shirt, I always believe in a crisp white shirt. I feel it does wonders. The little black dress, you can wear it with a pair of stilettos or wear it with a pair of sneakers. You can dress up or dress down in it. A leather jacket, because I love the structure and the elegance that it provides. A good handbag, a good watch, and maybe, if you're confident enough, wear red lipstick. I feel Sonam, because every time we are trying to source clothes for other actresses, she's already worn everything. So, she really does influence style, because she's constantly experimenting with stuff. She's bringing about new stuff to the table, and it's really amazing to see how experimental she is. She thinks out of the box. She's she's quite a style diva. I can't do animal print, but if you force me, I'd say zebra print. I don't like using too much polyester. I feel, rich, expensive fabrics. And another thing is that, when I meet people and they're wearing too much perfume, I don't understand the story, So, too much perfume, you can't be, overpowering the room with your perfume. That's like, biggest fashion faux pas is, as I said, following fashion trends blindly. I see a lot of people, who are doing like, oh, must sell as in the season. So, they're using that lipstick or using that color, and you're just like, why did you do that to yourself, So, for me, the thing is that know who you are and adorn yourself accordingly. Vintage. Because there are so many things that are not vintage and people are insisting. So I got this vintage bag and I got this and I'm like, it's not vintage from any angle. The best fashion secret that I've learned is shapewear. People are, it does wonders for you. Hats, studs any day, bracelets, flats for sure, hoodies, leather, fur, new, stripes, diamonds. You can give them to me also, I don't mind. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more videos like this, stay tuned to Pink Villa.